Hello everyone, today I'll be explaining why this Proto-Slavic vowel sound is reconstructed as a close back unrounded vowel instead of being a central one. I mean, it's not a crazy idea to reconstruct this vowel as this one. If you look at Russian, for example, the transcription used for the vowel in words with this vowel uses this symbol. But of course, the one thing we should know by now is that transcriptions can be misleading, and it's better to look at phonetic reality. But now let's get to the actual evidence for why this Proto-Slavic sound once has been a closed back unrounded vowel. The evidence was taken from Russian Polesian dialects, which are northern Ukrainian dialects, and from related Baltic languages. The evidence from Russian includes an actual presence of 3 distinct vowel sounds, with this vowel not merging into the close front vowel. But as you can see, here I indicated their actual outcomes in modern Russian and how they are pronounced today. And as you can see, all 3 vowels are actually pronounced lower in the mouth. This is actually a sound change shared with Ukrainian, where both of these language varieties have lowered all Proto-Slavic close vowels into near close vowels. But the difference from Ukrainian is that Russian has preserved this vowel without merging it into the close front variant. And as you can see here, I've transcribed the sound with this symbol, which you shouldn't confuse as unrounded version of this vowel. Not this vowel, this is just this vowel, but as a unrounded version of this vowel. It's just that IPA doesn't have an unrounded version of this vowel. As you can see here, in Russian, this vowel is pronounced back in the mouth, not somewhere in the center, but farther in the mouth. This is the evidence that before these vowels were lowered, that this vowel was somewhere in the back of the mouth, since as you can see here, both of these vowels were lowered and slightly either retracted or fronted, but not a whole lot. Since we can see that from these 2 vowels, we can posit that this vowel came from a close back vowel, some kind of close back vowel. It may not have been as close as U, but still a close back vowel. Now to the evidence from Polesian dialects. In these varieties, this vowel sound has been split. In some northern Ukrainian dialects, this vowel either merges with the front vowel sound or the back one, and this is determined by its position in the word. Thus, when it was placed after a labial consonant, it merges with the back vowel, while in all other situations, it merges with the front vowel. Now you may say that, doesn't this indicate that it was somewhere in between these 2? Thus, being a central vowel, but you have to keep in mind that it had to have had similar features to both of these vowels. Thus, since we know that it had to have been unrounded because of the outcomes in modern Slavic languages, with most of them merging it with the front unrounded vowel, then we have only the backness of U that is left, and thus it can point us to conclude that it had to have been unrounded and a back vowel. Now onto the last piece of evidence, and that is the relatedness of Slavic languages to Baltic ones. Every time you see a word reconstructed with this vowel, in Baltic languages you have a cognate which has a close back rounded vowel. As you can see here, these two are examples from Latvian and Lithuanian. Both mean to be, and both have a close back rounded vowel. Now, in most modern Slavic languages, you have a close unrounded vowel in place of this sound. Now, we could say that this close front unrounded vowel somehow got retracted, but how do we explain that this vowel sound is rounded in Baltic languages? Well, the most easy explanation is the reverse, that Slavic languages had a close back rounded vowel instead, which got fronted. Seeing this, we can reasonably conclude that it either fronted to a front rounded vowel or just got unrounded. As we can see from Slavic outcomes, it probably got unrounded, even though this is a far less common change in languages worldwide. But we can thus understand that this is the vowel sound that should have been at some point in the stage of development of Slavic languages. It may have fronted to this vowel sound in some Slavic languages though. Thus, this would explain the lowered and central quality in Polish and a lowered and front vowel quality in Silesian. But otherwise, as you can see from these two evidence from Russian and Polesian, it's far more likely that still in Proto-Slavic, the far more popular pronunciation was a close back unrounded vowel. I hope this cleared some things up. If you have any suggestions as to which videos you want to see, on which theme, write down in comments. If you have any remarks to the contents of this video or the general quality of this video or the audio, also write them down. I will be thankful to you. And this is it. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.